I'm Katie.
And I'm Todd. And Renovating KC came in and helped us finish out the unfinished portion of the basement. I spoke to Steven. I was impressed that he answered the phone when I called them directly. We had done some research into some companies, and we needed a water heater replaced. And I didn't want somebody calling back. I didn't want somebody coming out and trying to know what they would do, quote me up. And I just wanted an answer. It's a simple water heater replacement. I want an all-in cost. And Steven was able to quote that over the phone. They sent Robbie out. Robbie did such a quality job, very clean, made the project. I mean, it was just a water heater replacement, but it looked very neat at the end.
It was wide open, studs, no insulation, concrete floor, just basic. There was no really electrical, no plumbing, nothing.
While it was 8x9, the shower was just functionally tight for my sons to use. And it just became an opportunity with the space behind it being unfinished that we expand into that and make the bathroom larger. And then the rest of the area that was unfinished to complete that as well.
I think it was fantastic. I can't say enough great things about Ryan and the crew that they brought. They were very flexible. They worked with us and they accommodated our timeline into their timeline. Very flexible and great communication. We could always reach out to Ryan and got a response immediately. He was great about that. And also just the crew in general was very polite.
Because we had a lot of things. How could we fit a second laundry center down here? How could we make sure that we were able to keep the plumbing in the same place to minimize some of the extra cost? If you moved drains and plumbing lines, they worked with us to make sure that it followed the idea that I had and made it kind of come true.
So I would say to anyone who's considering hiring Renovate KC is that you will get reliable folks that show up like they say they will. They'll have open communication. They'll do good work. Have a conversation with them. They're very open to listening, and they'll fix it.
I recommend Renovating KC.